Hello po. So I'll get right into it. I will use this MAC NC42 foundation, Studio Fix foundation all over my face. Since medyo bronzy si Pia, yun ang peg niya nung night na yun. And then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 20. I'll put it on the high points of my face and to conceal my eye bags. Medyo marami tayong ko-conceal. Medyo puyat ang lola mo. After blending that, I will set it and bake it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Ang arte, translucent powder. Sa under eye, sa T-zone. And ginagawa ko to kasi medyo oily talaga ako. Hindi medyo. If di ka naman oily, you don't have to do this. And then, for my brows, I'm currently using this liquid brow product from Character. It's very easy to use, very easy to glide. Napakabilis. Kapag talaga liquid, mas sanay ako, liquid or gel. And then I'm taking this Age Rewind concealer. Any concealer will do. Just clean the brows right there. And then take any taupey brown shade and put that all over the crease. You don't have to be unique with it. Just put it there. just put it there. Tapos a darker shade to define it more sa crease, and then a darker shade than that, like a lighter tone than black, and use it as a faded liner. And then I took that gold and put it on the center of my lids. I don't know why I didn't capture it here, but I did that. And then using this Master Strobing Cream from Maybelline, medyo wet look tingnan kasi yung highlight ni Pia. So I used that on the brow bone. Then I sweep off my baking, and I took this Blair brow mascara. It's very nice. Gusto ko siya, type ko siya. Sharpening this kohl liner from MAC, putting it in my waterline and smudging it with an eyeshadow. I didn't show it here, but I did. And then contouring the hollows of my cheeks, as well as my nose after I put my lashes. In any order naman, pwede naman. Wala namang rules sa makeup. Kahit anong unahin nyo, pwede. Highlight the inner corner of your eyes and your cheekbones, of course. Kasi medyo glowy, bronzy look si Pia, diba? So, kailangan glowy tayo. And then, foundation on the lips to cancel the color of our natural lips. And then, line with something brown. I just put lip gloss on top and then curled my hair. And the look is done. Thank you so much for watching. Mabilis lang to, but I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, guys!